So if you've ever worn leg warmers, penny loafers, or a pink polo with the collar up, chances are you're overdue for a colonoscopy. And your parents probably had one of these cars in the driveway. So put on some parachute pants, a pair of checkered Vans, and let's go back to the 80s.
Where is my automobile?
Well, Grandpa, if it's from the 80s, that automobile is here in Hugo, Minnesota. It had been far too many years since my son Stu and I hit up a car show together, so it was fun to meet up and drive down memory lane. Now he's a 90s kid, so these cars are classics to him, but for me, these cars were my formative high school years. He's always been a fan of vintage stuff like clothes and music, and he knows a ton about these Ronald Reagan era cars and trucks, but still, he had a few questions.
Bueller? Bueller? Anyone?
This BMX bike and truck combo caught my eye. It reminded me of a time when a friend of mine and I hauled our BMX bikes up in the back of his old Datsun truck to St. Paul for some sweet competition. When I was 16, I'm pretty sure no other car had the power to attract the ladies like one of these from Deutschland.
He drives a BMW.
The show had quite a few of these 80s, let's say grandma cars, as well as plenty of totally awesome Japanese imports.
Not Mitsubishi, M Johnny 5.
Now, no, I'm pretty sure these are Starions, or perhaps Chrysler Conquests. Either way, they're one of my faves from the 80s. Now, it wouldn't be an 80s car show without one of the 80s most iconic TV vehicles. There were a couple General Lee Chargers out on the grass, this one complete with autographs. I wonder who signed this one.
Those Duke boys.
While technically not in the 80s, these Blues Brothers Dodge Monocles will always be a car chase favorite.
It's got cop tires, cop suspension, cop shocks.
Them Volvos are great.
There were also many Euro imports as well, from Germany, Italy, and of course, Sweden. Now this three-wheeler had me stumped.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know either, but it was a pretty cool oddball.
a nice van you got there, Pally.
I agree, this Ace Toyota van features some all-wheel drive off-road prowess. While this one may have had some other uses in mind. Again, it was a great morning to hang with my son and see some sweet rides.
Now I've seen everything.
Yep, Michael, I think we did too. So thanks for watching, everyone, and until the next video, go get lost on some beautiful back roads.